Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice radical equation. Square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to 3. Since here we have x minus 1, so we split this 2 as negative 1 plus 3 square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x. We split this 2 as negative 1 plus 3. Negative 1 plus 3 is equal to 3. Now here we have x minus 1 and here we have x minus 1. So we suppose that let x minus 1 is equal to m. We substitute m in this equation, then this equation becomes square root of m plus square root of m plus 3 is equal to 3. Now from here we take square of both sides, and according to algebraic identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This square root of m plus square root of m plus 3 whole square is equal to square root of m square plus square root of m plus 3 square plus 2 times square root of m times square root of m plus 3 is equal to, and this 3 square is equal to 9. Next, this square will be cancelled with this square root, and this square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left m plus 3 plus 2 times, we multiply this square root of m by this square root of m plus 3. Square root of m times m plus 3 is equal to 9. Next, 1m plus 1m, 2m, and we move this plus 3 to the right side. Here we write this 2 times the square root of m times m plus 3 plus 2 times square root of m times m square and m times plus 3 plus 3m is equal to 9, and this plus 3 becomes negative 3 at right side. Now from here you can see that 2 is a common factor, so we factor out 2 from here. 2 times, in bracket left, m plus square root of m square plus 3m is equal to 9 minus 3, 6. And we divide both sides of this equation by 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and at left side left m plus square root of m square plus 3m is equal to 6 divided by 2, 3. Next we move this m to the right side. Square root of m square plus 3m is equal to 3, and this plus m becomes minus m at right side. Now from here we take square of both sides. and this square will be cancelled with this square root. And at left side left, m square plus 3m is equal to, according to algebraic identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This 3 minus m whole square is equal to 9 minus 6m plus m square. And if we subtract m square from both sides, this m square will be cancelled, and here left 3m. We move this negative 6m to the left side, it becomes plus 6m is equal to 9, and 3m plus 6m, 9m is equal to 9. Divide both sides by 9. This 9 will be cancelled with this 9, and we get the value of m is equal to 9 divided by 9, 1. Now recall that we have supposed that x minus 1 is equal to m. We have supposed x minus 1 is equal to m. To find the value of x, we put the value of m1 in this equation. X minus 1 is equal to, value of m is 1, and x is equal to 1. This negative 1 becomes plus 1 at right side. X is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. This is the value of x, this is the final answer. Now to verify this value of x, we put this value of x in the original equation. The original equation is square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to c. The original equation is square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 2 is equal to 3. In this equation we put the value of x 2. Square root of the value of x is 2 minus 1 plus square root of the value of x is 2 plus 2 is equal to 3. Next, square root of 2 minus 1, 1 plus square root of 2 plus 2, 4 is equal to 3. And square root of 1 is 1 plus square root of 4 is 2 is equal to 3. And 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 3. You can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved that the value of x 2 is correct.